Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Swetisha, Cure Plus Homeopathy Clinic, Bangalore. So today we are going to talk about the myth of about the homeopathy, doubt about the homeopathy, and some person having so many people or patients having so many questions. So we are going to clear all the doubts regarding this. First, what is homeopathy? Homeopathy is a German science. It is discovered by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann in 1807. So it is 200 or 300-year old medical science. It is not the new one. It is well old, 2 to 300 old, and well proven medical science. The next thing patient ask, what is the source of medicine? So normally homeopathy medicine are prepared with the plants, with the minerals, and with the animal sources also. Like the common medicine we are talking about, like pulsatilla, calendula, arnica. So these are the medicine which is prepared from the plant source. That plant, if you heard the tulsi plant, giloy plants, or marigold plants, or neem plants, these are having a very good medicinal property. So the source of medicine is these plants. The mineral like arsenic, sulfur, phosphorus, calcarea fluor, calcarea phos, these are the medicine source is minerals. And some animal sources are also there, like apis mellifica with the honeybee, or lachesis surucuque snake poison. So these are the sources of homeopathic medicines. Next question mostly patient ask is, this small globule sugar pills, is it work, is it effective? So the thing, this sugar pills, I can show you, these are the sugar pills. These are just the sugar pills, and which is made up of goat's milk and sucrose. Okay, the main medicine is the dilution which we pour in this. These are the diluted medicines which we pour in this medicines. Okay, so these are the main medicines. This sugar pills is only the vehicle to prescribe for the with the patients. Okay, so these are the medicine. How to take this medicine? Normally, whatever your doctor suggests, you select that way only. Normally, I prescribe you have to take this medicine 4 pills in your cap. 4 to 5 pills is more than sufficient. You just put on your cap and put on your tongue. It should just put on your tongue. Don't touch with hand. Don't take in hands. Okay, and just whenever you take this medicine, half hour before and after should not eat and drink anything. So how it work? So as soon as you take this medicine, it will touch your tongue, and tongue having nerves. So this nerve absorb the medicine whatever you are taking and start action immediately. It is not like allopathic system, like you take the medicine, it will go to the stomach and then absorb through the blood and then start the action. The homeopathy medicine active is very fast. As soon as it touch your tongue, it absorb by the nerve and start the action. So this like this, because of that only we suggest the patient ki whenever you are taking this medicine, minimum 15 minutes before and after should not eat and drink anything. Your tongue should be clean. There is any strong taste should not be there. If you are taking tobacco, if you are taking alcohol, so avoid on that period of time. Okay, so next myth is there any side effect with the homeopathy medicine? So no, there is no side effect of homeopathy medicines. These are very mild and natural homeopathy medicine. In a very small quantity we are giving to the patients, so there is no any side effect. As you say, like anything in excess is poisonous, right? If your diet is a 1 or 2 chapati and you are, instead of that you are taking 7 or 10 chapatis, it will be poisonous for you. It will be harmful for you. The same way, if a doctor is suggesting, if you are taking to 2 times or 3 times, you just take like that only, because we know the medicine action. And there are the small short acting medicine, there are the long acting medicine, or there are deep acting medicines are there. So according to doctor's prescription you should take. Means some people what they do, 4 pills if they are suffering with the severe pain, instead of 4 pills they take 10 pills, or they are frequently every half hour they are taking, or they take full bottle at a time because of severity of pain. So no, this will be harmful for you. Always follow your doctor's instruction. So next thing patient ask, in homeopathy so many restrictions are there, how can we follow this restriction? So let me clear this straight. There is no restriction with the homeopathy. They, like people say, we should avoid onion, garlic, non-veg food, this that. No, there is no any restriction related with the homeopathic medicine. Restriction is always related with your disease, whatever problem you are suffering with. Okay, with homeopathy I need, or as any doctor need, only 15-minute break before and after taking medicine to act our medicine well, very well. Okay, with disease, if patient is suffering with the asthma, so we tell to the patient to avoid cold items or dust items or whatever you are allergic to. If a patient is suffering with the piles or any gastric disease or any ulcer or acidity, we tell to the patient to avoid any spicy food, non-veg item or excessive onion or garlic things, because it create acidity, it produce burning in the stomach. So always restriction is related with your disease, whatever problem you are suffering with. There is no restriction with the homeopathy medicines. The next myth patient is very frequently asked, is it slow acting medicine? How can we take in acute diseases? So this is a very big myth. There is no, homeopathy is not at all a slow acting medicine. It is a very fast. Even in my 10-11 year of practice, I see a very quick result. Within 10-15 minutes, patient are getting relief. So in acute cases, if patient is suffering with the vomiting, loose motion, diarrhea, any pain, or food poisoning, or any acute cases, it give immediate and fast action. As soon as you give the medicine, within 15 minutes to 30 minutes, you will get the result, and you will give benefit to the patient. But of course, if patient is suffering with the chronic diseases like asthma, diabetes, eczema, psoriasis, any chronic disease which is patient is suffering from very long time, 10 years, 15 years, then you cannot expect result in 10-15 days, right? It will take time. It will take a few months to get complete or get cure that disease, and depend on the disease also. So it is not at all a slow acting medicine. It is a big myth that homeopathy is slow and it is having side effects. So there is no side effect. It is not at all a slow acting medicine. Other myth is there, patient is saying, whenever you give this medicine, doctor, for 3-4 days we have good taste, we have some smell in taste, after that the taste is gone, so is it still effective? So yes, the homeopathy medicine, once we prepare in this form, it will be, the effect will be there at least 3 to 4 months. So as you know that homeopathy medicine or any medicine, as a preservative, we need to add some alcohol. Okay, so alcohol amount is there. As soon as we prepare your medicine, like we prepare this dilution, we put this dilution, some alcohol content is there as a preservative. So once the patient take this medicine for 3 days or 4 days, that smell or taste will be there. After that, because of alcohol evaporate, then only effect will be there. So maybe you will not get the taste, or you will not get the smell, but effect will be there for the 3 month. So it is more than effective medicine. Anything doubt is there, patient is asking is, there is no side effects, no slow acting medicine, homeopathy medicine. One more thing the patient ask is, we heard like homeopathy medicine doctor mixes steroid also. So this is also a big mistake or myth. This is not possible at all. In homeopathy medicine, we get the dilution directly from the pharmacy, and this pharmacy, it is not possible to add any steroid in this. Any good doctor will not do anything like this. So these are the common myth about the homeopathy. If you have any doubt, any query, please write down in the comment section. If you are having any doubt, we'll clear definitely. If you like my video, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.